Recently, I spoke to professionals who said, I'm not sick, I'm not depressed, but I don't know, I feel like myself anymore. Many people think stress is something obvious. Just imagine it shows up in the breakdown as a major crisis. But that's not how it usually begins. It starts quietly, then it slowly, gradually goes up. Feel tired even though after resting. You become impatient with people who care about you. Small issues begin to irritate you. Your mind keeps replaying conversation, worrying about the future, and struggling to switch off. These are very evident when you are high stress. You may still be performing your work, you may still be meeting your responsibilities, but inside you're feeling emotionally drained, overwhelmed, and constantly on the edge. So, left unattended, this stress can slowly grow into an anxiety, burnout, poor decision making, and even affects your relationship and physical well being. I have a practical solution to all this in my webinar. In this webinar, I will share practical emotional intelligence tool to recognize stress early and prevent burnout. Join me on July 3rd at 7 pm. Register through the link below. Thank you.